Through intelligence information, a joint team of Federal Ministry of Mines and Steel Development and officers of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps discovered an illegal mining site along Benin Ore Road, precisely between Okada and Obogui. And on getting there, these 8 suspects were arrested. Also, 4 trucks loaded with clay were also brought from the scene to our command for illegal mining activities. And upon interrogation, we discovered that they had no mining license, which is against the law. And as you know, the NSCDC is in charge of protecting critical national assets and infrastructure of the government. The command, NSCDC Edo State Command, ably led by the Commandant Agungbenga Joseph, has vowed to chase all illegal miners out of the state, and he will not allow few economic saboteurs to sabotage the efforts of the government. Investigation is ongoing. If they are found guilty, they will be charged to court.
We were arrested at the site, Okada Ore Road, that is Lagos Road, where we were working at the mining site. I'm from Akwa Ibom State. Yes. Okay, I'm working under a Chinese company.
So I'm the driver. I come so I carry sand. Now they come meet me for jail. Now they arrest me from Okada to Enugu. But they work for that place almost 3 months. That's what I did.